Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the EB-5 investment into agriculture sector of the US economy and all the benefits of that. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your case. Let's go. But before we begin, guys, it's the holiday season, so my warmest greetings to you, and I wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, and all the best to your houses, and just the best projects and the best things that may happen to you in 2024. I know for a lot of you, for myself, the 2023 was not the easiest year, but we're looking in 2024 with hope, and we know that it's gonna be the best year in our lives, guys. So Merry Christmas, all the warmth and best and energy and the balance to your homes, and I do believe that you guys gonna succeed in 2024, and I do believe that your future starts here with our corporation. I wish to many of you the positive news in 2024 in the form of approval of your petition. Smash that like button if you guys like my energy and you like my greetings, my hat, and the content and the best materials for all kind of visas. Also, guys, because of this holiday season, I prepared a special advent calendar for you. You can use the QR code or the link below this video to get to the advent calendar, and you will be able to open up a card each day and get a lot of prizes and surprises and guides and exclusive content that will not be available anywhere on our social media or anywhere else on internet. So every day you need to go to the advent calendar and click the card. It's gonna turn and give you a chance to win prizes and all kind of good stuff. So don't miss it. Go and do it right now. So today we're going to be discussing the topic of EB-5 visa in the agricultural sector. So let's take a step back and remember what exactly EB-5 program is. And by the way, guys, I'm not going to talk about passive investment today. I'm going to be talking about only active investment, where you are the one who directs and control your money. EB-5 program was developed by US Congress back in 1990s to bring the foreign investments back to the US and create the jobs for Americans. And since then, the program was changed and reformed, and bad things happened and good things happened, but one thing remained unchanged. The opportunity for those of you with large capital, and your capital must be at least $1,050,000. In some cases, it could be $800,000. We're not going to discuss those cases today, but remember, there's a chance to get that lower number of the investment. And we also need to prove the legality of your funds. Two main things: the investment and how you made that money. But also there is more. We need to show that within 2 years after the approval of your petition, you will create 10 permanent jobs for the US citizens, green card holders, or those with work permit or work visas. These three are the main criteria of this visa. And why are we talking about the agricultural sector? Well, first of all, this is something that the US government wants you to bring the money into. The White House, the Biden administration, and even the Trump administration, the past and probably the future, USCIS and a lot of commentators and analysts, they say that American agriculture is falling back from the rest of the world. So we need investment in this sector. And what does that mean in a practical term? Because you'll be like, well, Stanislav, why don't I just invest in a restaurant and hospitality sector, in the IT technology and things like that? Well, you may. However, there is a huge difference in the term of timing between the agricultural sector and everything else. There are some exceptions where you get the same treatment as agriculture, but we're gonna focus on agriculture and everything else. So if you guys wanna come with your investment and open up a farm or some agricultural production, growing, planting, maybe not directly into agriculture, but the near sectors, maybe you're gonna be fixing the agriculture vehicles, or maybe you bring some technology in the agriculture sector, maybe some fertilizer. Lord knows, whatever has to do with agriculture and infrastructure of the agriculture, you guys will get the best treatment from the USCIS, and that will translate in a very fast approval of your petition. How fast? I've seen the approvals 3 to 5 months. And that's when we have to deal with the agriculture sector. This is like lightning quick. Why? Because nowadays the EB-5 approvals could be taking up to 48 months. So compare 3 to 5 months to 48 months. This is super quick, great treatment for USCIS. You will be VIP of EB-5 submissions. What it means to you in other practical terms. If you are in the US at the time of filing EB-5 petition in the agricultural sector, you will be able to file adjustment of status, which will give you the option to get a green card in the US without leaving the US. That's number one, and that will be really quick after the filing. So if you're outside of the US and you provide the business plan and all the things that they need to approve your petition, and basically I already mentioned that you have to have the proper investment. You have to prove that you made your money legally, you should pay taxes on that, and show how the money was transferred from your source of funds to your business in the US. You need to have a company registered in the US and the money sitting in the bank account of that company, and the business plan, where you're gonna show how you will be creating at least 10 jobs within 2 years after the initial approval. If you're filing all that outside of the US and after that fast approval, you'll probably need another 9 months to go through the immigration process to get the immigrant visa stamped in your passport and come to the US with a green card. And who's gonna get the green cards? Well, you, your spouse, and your children under 21 years old. If you were thinking about EB-5 program, but you were not sure which sector of the economy to choose, take a close look at the agriculture sector, because you will get not only the good treatment from the USCIS, your business may even be subsidized by other federal programs to help you grow. If you want to get a free evaluation of your EB-5 case, please make sure you go down below this video. Find the link, click on it. It's gonna say free evaluation of your case, and fill out the questionnaire that I prepared for you. And within 2 days, I will get back to you with the initial analysis of your case and whether you have a potential. And if you have the potential, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning, where I will build a written winning strategy for your case. Great news for you, my friends! Today is the day. We have launched our new website, shamayevlaw.com. You can get to this website by scanning the QR code on the screen, or by using the link in the description of this video. This website is the result of many years of work and a lot of human hours putting in this project. We've been working on rebranding of the website for the past year, and now it's released. This website is your guide on your way to immigrate to the United States of America. It has all the visas and the description of them and the process and the timeline for all the visas that we are working on. Also, you can find a lot of news and the latest blogs on the trends and updates and the change in law on this website. Also, the company's news and much more. Alright guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.